ebesuma santeman na yasum your focus Ghana, your focus Sikadwa. The collective good no any adwene ho emre bi Kwasi Twum dwumadie ye ne dia radio station multimedia ye ne dia no oni ye nyina ye hia ye especially ye kasa wo emframamu no multimedia womo ye morning show talk show for ni news editors na sefo nyina Kwasi Twum ni ye hia ye eno ka de ba ko kire ye sa bre no na yewra kene Japan se or the cocaine and the ball ne bra inti multimedia no cocaine and or the shase kene Japan some be kaya one kind so me kai o say Kwasi Twum e the cocaine and ye na dwuma nti sa de ne ba ye na akoye bebre ni nasefo no ko for kansem ni bebre wan kasa na oshia yen as a leader and as a CEO of multimedia no and o say yengusu nye adwuma mayen ha ye ho ne mo ka one striking to no say we must make sure that we are at the side of the people. Nhyira FM. Yewra Kwasi Twum multimedia ye ne dia no. Sa asem no ka kire nyina. So make sure we are always at the side of the people and not the politicians. Sa philosophy no e wo bia o ye adwuma o multimedia trim. And they say debiara da de beboa nipa no ene enye ma ye nkohwe politician bia anim ne emfa nya adwuma. Inti multimedia aban beba akọ aban beba umpe multimedia sem if we say multimedia is always at the side of the people yenye perfect but enyoma multimedia ye wo kurom ha any contribution to national discussion and governance enyoma multimedia ye for the past 30 years no. Without multimedia influence in Ghana and Kamanyo for both NDC and people mbeye di omupe. And nuntina omo can be bia to multimedia soa emfano. Do you know why? Because multimedia onwia obi ade. Multimedia otua netwo. Multimedia enya politician ene hye multimedia ni ase. 2020 MPP forecast say John Dramani Mahama ama Kwasi Twum $50 million say yemfan 2 MPP aban engu. 2012 NDC4 led by Okujetua Blakwa and abusuafo bi e boycotted Joy FM. 2023 there about 2022 then year MPP4 say na nakoje Jantuah show so oye NDC ni enti omu massa show no so da o ma boycott enti show ni be gu Edrumebi the regional minister then Honorable Simon Semensa say Nhyira FM there on ma mi show so da e be say only the enti America we me say Kwasi Twum say be at the side or on the side of the people always. Adie bi a wo ye no, dwene nipa ne ho ne fa ya adie. Eno nti ne ye betena ha, de beboa nipa ne aye. De nti omu pem multimedia asem ne say we are independent, credible, fearless. Independent, credible, and fearless journalist. And ye waha. Independent, say, enye MPP ni NDC na bet say, ye was ye. Fearless, say, ye mfa ehu enye adwuma. obienu a multimedia oye hufo ehun ka multimedia your orientation ho. That is why we don't care about politicians. And into the Jantuah betimi aka na asem akere NDC a omfa ho. Obetimi aka na de akere MPP a omfa ho because we don't care about politicians. Medical kan wa hadada na bi wo hom hyeda ntiase. Me enye multimedia and ese me enye politics and kan me nye. I don't need politicians to survive my show. Obi a woni minim sa. Na so first me ba be morning show no. Na NDC ni MPP. Ye yi sa de ni film because I said I don't like that kind of stuff. And Mohammed, I don't need MPP ni NDC anopo mo beka dey. Entina to the bia na yi Syria show be na timika Syria collect man mfre because I wanted the Syria callers to know say without Syria callers no ye betimi aye show. I wanted NDC ni MPP for so meti ase say I don't need NDC MPP to survive my show. And I prove you wrong for the past 5 years. Ya content ya holding forth. Multimedia in FM. The entire won't me nya no. Your time near say ketwa bi, but eno na abeti. Obe kan den akade eno na abeti. Upe di attempt so eno na abeti. And now no pay ND MPP for any eno no metie. Nana Jantuah Jimmy was say onim de oka multimedia eno also eno na wutie because me na abeti muntimi nti obia. And in a year, Hamuhu, a choir, a choir with the Anquanian, and so still me and Abetim. Obeko could see a radio station for me and Abetim. When Tiemia, Oberia come YouTube, Ubia become social media because me Kasa winning say and make influence. What a fearless Nasi. Yeah, Juma Makwesichum, me Juma Makwesichum. Me nya adwuma ma Jimmy Agla madika kasa asem na bebia me wo bia me ye adwuma ma osreje nyankrompon. That is my focus. So bit is a matro na me cha spiritual entrepreneur wonte mase bebia me ye adwuma bia no me ye adwuma se nyankrompon busa me se me ma wasa akwanya ne de na wo de ye ya metimi aka bi unnim na Jantuah go and research about na Jantuah. Adia ba kwa empusi me ne Saudi ehunehuna na ube hunehuna me emfa na me ehunehuna me go back to my parents ma muni matempa boni papa ye ehunehuna me o de obetimi aya ne se obede obebome ana abekume. Two things ebi ahoden nkyem ntu so obebome ana abekume enioma mienu apart from na bibia ni ho a obetimi de ehunehuna me bibia ni ho a obetimi de ehunehuna bibia ni ho a. Do you know what it takes to be a Katanji? Yeniya dienye no. Until we are foot soldier NDC MPP. Now usu tie me na wa adwen say ye catch us kodidi na Jantuah atem na ye keka ni sa wati emfa. Me say sa wugidi se na Jantuah nya dia mentie me. Sa ususu se me show me ye no airtime ompe a mentie me enya force me boa. Unhu me atwam social media men comment me boa. Adentina me kan Dr. Bawumi asem obuafu se me nya obi a adentina se me nya obi na jamie se me nya obi a na me kan Dr. Bawumi asem na obi ani abre na na say na otetiwa na na kwasitum na na hwa se me nya obi a na jamie because mo ka tell me se me nya obi a me boa MP before mo tie me man kan jem se me nya obi a na ma share show no time a mo ka se ma boycott show no na show ni begu no mo ka se me nya obi a me boa me so me ka chem se me dimo ko opposition me ka chem se me make sure say MPP Lucy me ka kire mu me boa enye me na me kopa acho say MPP form na me show so let me tell you enye me na me kopa acho wo that day ne kra na JFK ba ha no bra mo breye because I respect my boss Jimmy Agla ni okuku omunti anti na ma me beta na me se me ntena ase enya me na me ka se o afi MPP for momra enya me nka me mpa acho da that day Jimmy Agla my general manager and me programs manager and me kasa ya say pese me host that day kra na me se me hosti Because I wanted them to lose. 9% people for lose no more there. Say Nana Jantuah and Obia. I wanted them to lose for you to know the influence. They didn't know about me ayo. But nipa etie and nipa fire adwene in nipa mpanyifo mutie no mu dia fa adwene, you don't have an idea. What is social media? So say Nana Jantuah and Obi. I can bring you down. And I proved it in 2024. Namu kosia namu planning 2021 why na MPP form penny for kosia planning for Nana Jantuah ye be ni day ye be ni say yenye ni say ye mafia no yenche no yenye say ni nyina ne ya we. But the drew baby a say nipa bi ye na adwen say ade am ye ne ma nye ni ye a no aye no wa fan say enye hwe me kasa asem ma nkofo atiase say wonim Nana Jantuah go and research about Nana Jantuah. Me buy nyoma bebre wo ho amagyan efri se empanyifo ne metena so se na we de ano ohye nyoma bebre wo ho a ye general manager be frame programs manager na empanyifo from se na we de eno anu ba de kan say aha ye say nyoma bebre wo ho a ya sepu mia ma se say nyoma bi wo ho a menka na kan ne din sa na ne edi hye ase na ne edi wie ya wa hwan kan krofo kra nya problem. Edie na menka no ha emamu me catch us say na akufo ado ya hantan ogu party no edie na manka eno na menya atan wo kromu ha me koka say na akufo ado ogu party no bia obeteki over no bebre no yenko 2023 na menche wade me ma wo certain history me chiro certain history bra Facebook na menche onyoma me kafa MPP ho a omunim say me tan wo mo die bia ni wa me kafa MPP ho amem. Because that time na namu kuso e dada na akufo ado ni baumia no ye ani e pen asam ni e ka no kra kire no then time na mu adwene si a ye ka bibia kire ma na mu ntie no ye time ne ye me ka no kra no pa bia kire say we ni na be koso ana mo tia ana mo ye dede Nhyira FM me se wonim Nana Jantuah ye mfa hunehuna ye mfa social media ye mfa sa nyoma ne mfa me ho enkame. Me say ade we na meye enti na be defense I am here obi aso be me am nko am betimi defend me ho ye won yoma bebri amako ama on na me nko na me bo me kakoyeye. I don't need people me person me ye bibi kra na me ne me yire kra discuss se me person me ye bibi a de nyoma e hye me tirimu ne de nyankopon person me ye no unhu so enti metena ha na me ye bibi a wonti ase o predict emfa. In 2023, I said something. No, not this one. Not even this one. I said something about Dr. Baumia and in Nana Akufo-Addo. Ye hu so melusu no. Na nyene bra Facebook na me October 28, 2023. Hwe de me tro ye. Enwema me ma mo signals nyina se MPP belusu no. Mo amfi me, monim se na me mpem asem. Mo ana mo do na ye be breaki 8 na ye be breaki 8 na Nana Akufo-Addo adwuma pa ene Dr. Baumia ye ka kire mo why na na efi ye nobody you talk say I hated you. October 28, 2023. Look at what I wrote. See bra Facebook na be he. I said Baumia will win on November 4 but he will lose na 2023 ni Jantuah ba but he will lose on December 7, 2024. He will suffer the mess of chairman and himself. Screenshot this for later. Ye who say MPP awe no na enya mo 2024 no me catch you say no more to about prime minister eye de obe wini but obe lose December 7, 2024 na mu din konkonsa say Nana Jantuah ye NDC ni na ompe Baumia asem na ompe MPP asem me nu mienu when mpe de all kan okra kire mu say den ne besi ene wo na wo to da no mo pe ni sika gianti na mo pe Baumia sika gianti e kom na ekrono na mo pa bonti man ka no kre na nche Dr. Baumia ene sika mo from the left and right nti ye mo bi ka no kre na mo pese ye be ka kire mo fabi to 2024 7 February 2024 hwe nyoma me kai unim time me kasa that was the timer yera Dr. Baumia eka ebie na no ka se na me ye ni nyina e de be na me ba me ye enkran obi busa the question say I didn't know won fixing this here and I say me ye ni nyina e de be pa na me so me ba me ye de sa asem na o kan no 27 February 2024 na me trust how dey we say Dr. Bawumia has reduced his chances of winning too early. Who advised him to speak in this way? Eradi nyame. Na me kan sa asem no. Ye hu say Dr. Bawumia lose no enye no, but we kept on telling you guys. We next one. Me pesa oba na me chira wa mo hu say Nana Jantuah. O penasem o penasem obeye n'adwuma. O ka che Kwasi Twum so onyi me media ochina me ye adwuma. O ka che Kwasi Twum se Kwasi Twum e Nana Jantuah pam na ochina me ye adwuma medidi. Meka sa asem we samra no Nana Martin hu say napo ena Dr. Bawumia ebeyi na se vice president ye mu bi ye ni mpanyufo bi a mempese mebo mu din e kasa wa akire ho omo Dr. Bawumia. In fact we kra de me madam funu no ma membo na me hu nyoma eka Dr. Bawumia me ni honorable are you a free ye or ben Dr. Bawumia pa madam for no ba happen me ni di nkomo am say doctor matese mo pese mo de napo ba ma men kan kire me napo ye minia ye nyina free pechi na matu abusua ba ko moja ba ko ba mo de napo ba mo be lusu nti ka kire Dr. Bawumia say mane nye na adwene say o de napo ba onkofo obi foforo. And Dr. You can say, oh, then another was 7 years, and you oh, me ba me fro, and he didn't. He's my best friend. Dr. You is one of my best friend. And I'm a cancer same way. Said there, Dr. Bawumia, wow, cry no bre, and it's out in a poba, a semu besi, me can't want them. Yeah, fee me, and I'm going to pobai. Me no me no wine and peba umiasem. Una na wo ka cha ne se na po beboa no na po na ekọ na po na eye sei na po de obema sei no mimi no mienu na me ka cha se na po moa no me no mienu hwan na mpeba umi asem. Next one quickly yenye fast I want to align something we are near din komo when me catch 2018 me catch John Mahama say on wini obia no ni me can say John Mahama on we me am a researcher my area ntina me catch said there's no way MPP be win 2028 obi obeka say MPP be win no catch this o the screenshot and now the cancer me say MPP ntimi win 2028 medical catch enye ne na me edru wa be kan me say me say obi obeda down say MPP be win 2028 emfa enye no kre market today emfa. Yanko next one. Nhyira fan. This was what I twisted. Even at that time, I make say John Mahama on we need 2020. NDC for so palm ya kama. NDC for so palm ya say Makaka say John Mahama on we need 2020. Uni mia no I research it. I don't survive because of NDC and MPP. I don't even care. So I didn't know and M1 Ghana. I am at the side of the people. When you know Dr. Damboche 29 February and na name said Dr. Bawumia Lusuno. No more that no catch and said Bawumia will win December polls with over 50% votes. No more that no. Minimum mienu why nem pe Bawumia sem. Me and American no krena chemo say the moya Bawumia obelusu because na Akufo do say party no me no mu anamo dada ni say we win awie no benya 140 seat no me no mienu hwan na mpe Bawumia sem. Nhyira fan. Next one quickly. Next yanko. Bra Facebook me kira won nyoma bebiri. Oman ni baby adru me I am called to serve Ghana. I am called to serve Ghana. I'm not called to serve multimedia. I'm not called to serve NDC and MPP. Me dear ni a passion no. And yet to say a common dem na person me radio. Te enyoma mienu. And yet to say a common demi enti na person me radio. Me ba radio mu because I wanted to change the narrative. Me ba radio because na me tie morning show akwai NDC MPP ai. Na me time na me hi. because na mfa mpuntu obi ama me ba radio mu say me baba be sesa nneoma no me baba sesa NDC ni MPP no na me ba radio mu abekire wo say you don't need NDC MPP ye wa krachefo ne animdifo ne mo amutie ye a munim nyansa chen politicians no enti ye mamo mu akwanya instead of NDC ni MPP eno kira me ba radio mu say me be bie wani na ye nyina ye ne abie ne ehu say ye betimi ako amman with unity ye ntwen ma because we NDC ni nti say NDC ni ba on kana asem ye enye sana ba radio me ba radio mu say ye be changing the narrative. We have changed it and then me free ham multimedia meaning say my ye de wasa me ye de nyankopon ka asem ye no my ye wie na me ko Nhyira FM. Now on the issue of Haptel ya can wa ha but essence be a bounty